In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the year in a Microsoft Word calendar template in just a few minutes. Whether you're trying to plan for the upcoming year, or you simply want to update an old template to fit your current needs, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Next, open a blank document, or any recent document if you prefer. Then, click on More Templates to access Word's full library of templates. You'll see a search box type calendar here to bring up all the available calendar templates. Browse through the options and pick the one that catches your eye, because this will be your calendar for the whole year. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you have your desired year in mind, and be ready to customize the template once it's open. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent mistakes. Once you've selected your template, open it and navigate to the part of the calendar that shows the year. Simply click on it and type in the new year. After that, you should be able to see all months updated to your selected year without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to review each month quickly to make sure everything looks correct, and don't forget to save your calendar once you're done customizing it. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to change the year in a Microsoft Word calendar template quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy planning. Here's to making every year organized and productive.